That is my bike check for 2013. Yeah, it'll start from the bars. So I've got the Cult Van Waffle grips in gum because they're awesome and really grippy. BSD Waza bars in black, they're 8.5 inch rise and about 30 inch wide. I've got the red BSD V2 top load stem in red, obviously. BSD Ghetto Fork top cap. It's pretty sick. Looks quite cool. The headset is the Premium Solo Plus 2013 headset with the BSD top cap because the BSD headsets aren't any good. Sorry BSD, but they're not. My head tube sticker is pretty sick. It's the Bocker sticker. Right there. And then we're frothing it on the side here with the Admiralty froth sticker. And on that side we've got the lasagna sticker because lasagna is just fucking awesome. My forks are BSD Ghetto forks, the V3s in black. They're 20 inch and they're like really good. I also like the sticker on this side. It's pretty sick. The front wheel, the tyre is a United Direct white wall, 20 inch, 2.3 wide. I run 50 psi in my tyres. It's got a Tesco inner tube in it. Because Teco's awesome. Because it doesn't have an S in it. The front rim's a Premium Samsara with a Premium Samsara hub. It's fairly standard apart from, like every premium part is standard off the Solo Plus 2013 complete. Citroen C1 valve cap in the front and back because Citroen C1s are awesome. Go buy one. The frame is this Premium Solo Plus 2013 frame from the standard complete. It's pretty nice. It's like covered in scratches, like there, all the way down there, because it just is. The colour's awesome. I love it. It's so sick. We've got the Bikes and Bitches sticker as well in rainbow gold. It's pretty cool. My seat is a Cult DAC pivotal seat, black leather with a white cotton logo. The seat post is Cult Counter pivotal seat post with an Apollo seat clamp. The cranks are just Premium Solo Plus cranks, same as the bottom bracket and the sprocket. The chain's a KMC chain which has snapped once. It's got a Apollo link holding it together because Apollo's awesome. Halfords for the win. The back wheel's exactly the same as front wheel. It's the United Direct tyre with the Samsara rim and Samsara hub. The pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCs because they're like amazing. They're the best pedals you can get because they just last so long and they're so grippy and they're quite cool looking as well. Spokes are just premium spokes and so are the nipples, premium nipples. Everybody needs some premium nipples. Listen to the hub. Ah! Yeah. Pretty dialed. Not really, the back wheel's like massive. But apart from that, pretty good bike. That's been my bike check. Thanks for watching.